If you're a seafood fan, then you need to try this avocado and lump crab salad. It's light, fresh, and oh so easy. First, grab a medium Hass avocado and cut it open. Scoop out that creamy goodness and set aside. In a bowl, mix 4 ounces of lump crab meat, 2 tablespoons of chopped red onion, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Throw in 2 diced grape tomatoes, half a teaspoon of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Gently toss everything together. Now fill your avocado halves with this scrumptious crab mix. This recipe makes 2 servings, so it's perfect for sharing or not. This dish is gluten-free, low-carb, and totally refreshing. Ready in just 10 minutes, it's an ideal lunch or appetizer that'll impress all your guests. So next time you're craving something light and tasty, whip up this avocado and lump crab salad. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.